Y'all, part 2 of the motorcycle unit is coming out in it's uploading right now, about 49 minutes. So have your eye out for that. I am about to go get me some coffee, all late. I got a lot to do today. We have some stuff that we gotta load up and unload. We got yard work to do. And what else? Oh, got a video to upload for my solo channel. So stay tuned. The second part of the motorcycle unit will be coming out, will be uploaded today. So just want to give y'all a hit up. Stay tuned, keep an eye out. That will be up soon.